Imagine learning 1000 English words, but still not being able to speak a simple conversation. Sounds strange, right? But that's exactly what happens to millions of English learners. They memorize long vocabulary lists, but forget most of them. Then wonder, why can't I speak English? The problem isn't that you are learning too few words. The problem is you are learning the wrong words in the wrong way. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which words to learn first and which ones you can ignore for now. In this video, I will show you which English words beginners should learn first, how to remember them without memorizing endless lists, and how to start using them in real conversation from today. Let's get started. When I started learning English, I thought I needed difficult words. I searched for advanced vocabulary. I wrote hundreds of words in a notebook, but after a few days, I forgot almost all of them. Then I realized something very important. Native speakers don't use difficult words all the time. They use simple words again and again and again. Once I started focusing on simple everyday words, speaking English became much easier. I didn't need fancy vocabulary. I needed useful vocabulary. That's why beginners should master the most common words first. Many learners study words like elephant, mountain, universe, dictionary, democracy. These words are useful, but not every day. Instead, learn words you use every single day. Words like I, we, you, drink, need, take, eat, will, can. These words appear in almost every conversation. Master these first. Instead of learning random vocabulary, group similar words together. Family, father, mother, brother, sister, child. Daily actions: wake up, brush, eat, drink, work, study, sleep. Places: home, office, school, market, hospital. Time: today, tomorrow, yesterday, morning, evening, night. Learning in categories helps your brain remember faster. Here is the biggest secret. Never learn a word alone. Instead, learn it inside a sentence. For example, word hungry. Sentence: I am hungry. Word busy. Sentence: I am busy today. Word need. Sentence: I need help. Word go. Sentence: I am going to office. Your brain remembers complete ideas much better than isolated words. This one habit can completely change the way you learn English. Most learners learn and forget. Instead, use every word within 5 minutes. If today's word is coffee, say, I like coffee. I'm drinking coffee. This coffee is hot. I need coffee. One word, 4 sentences. Now you have actually learned it. Many learners say, I know 5,000 words. That's impressive. But can you use them? I would rather know 100 words really well than know 5,000 words I never use. Quality is more important than quantity. Here is your homework. Every day, learn 5 useful words. Create 3 sentences with each word. Say those sentences aloud. Review yesterday's words. That's all. 5 words every day means 35 words every week. More than 150 words every month. Nearly 2,000 useful words in 1 year. That's how fluency is built, one day at a time. Let us review today's lesson. Don't learn random words. Learn useful words. Learn by category. Learn words inside sentences. Use every new word immediately. Review every day. Remember, English isn't about knowing the most words. It's about using the right words confidently. Now I have a challenge for you. Write one simple sentence in the comments using a new word you learned today. Don't worry if it is not perfect. Just try. I will read the comment and help you improve. If this video helped you, please like this video. Subscribe to Saroj English Journey and continue this journey with me. In episode 3, I will show you why studying grammar first slows down your English and what should you do instead. Remember, every fluent English speaker once started with their first 100 words. This is Saroj. Thank you for being part of this English journey. I will see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, one word at a time.